Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I prepared this delicious pasta. This pasta is so delicious that my family love it so much. So keep watching. So here are my ingredients, and right here I have gizzard. I boiled the gizzard already, and here I have my blended tomato mixed with scotch bonnet pepper and ginger onions. So here I have some grinded beef, yeah, and here is the pasta I'm going to be using for this recipe. So let's start cooking. Here I have my boiling water in the fire. I'll just go ahead and add a little bit of salt, then pour in the pasta. Make sure you keep an eye on the pasta because it's going to bubble while boiling here. So here is the pasta, and it's time to remove it from the fire now, and I will put that in a sieve and remove the water. Here I'm going to be using sunflower oil. You can use olive oil, you can use any other oil you have. So I'm going to add some to my pot, then allow it to heat up, add the gizzard and fry. After frying the gizzard, I will just go ahead at this point I'll be adding the blended tomatoes. At this point, I'll be adding my spices, which is dry thyme, curry powder, chicken seasoning, and salt. You can add other spices of your choice. Right now, I'll be adding a little bit of meat stock. This is the stock I got from cooking the gizzard. I'll be adding a little bit of it because I don't want the pasta too soaky. And I will go ahead and add the fried gizzard. Stir everything together. About 5 minutes later, I added the pasta, stir everything together and cover it for 2 minutes. So guys, here is the final look of the pasta. You can see it looked so yummy, so delicious, guys. I really like this pasta. Like, I ate a lot of it. So yummy. You need to give this a try, and if you do, please tag me. Okay, thank you so much, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.